Another use of monoclonal antibodies is in medical diagnosis. We have over 100 different diagnostic products based on monoclonal antibodies when it comes to diagnosing disease. They're used to diagnose influenza, hepatitis, chlamydia, and so on. And they are much better and much faster at producing results than conventional diagnosis methods. They're also important when it comes to cancer diagnosis. For example, prostate cancer in males produces a higher amount of a protein called PSA, or prostate-specific antigen. So in males that have prostate cancer, we usually have a high level of PSA in the blood. To diagnose this prostate cancer, monoclonal antibodies can be used because they can interact with this antigen. They can bind to this antigen and form the antigen-antibody complex, and we can measure the level of PSA using this antigen-antibody complex. Another use of monoclonal antibodies is when it comes to testing pregnancies. This is in the pregnancy test kits that are bought from the pharmacy and used at home. During pregnancy, the placenta produces a hormone called HCG, or human chorionic gonadotrophin. This is found in the urine of the mother. So if the mother's urine contains this hormone, then the mother is definitely pregnant. Monoclonal antibodies are present on the test strip of the home pregnancy test, and it is linked to colored particles. So the female urinates on this test strip, and if her urine contains HCG, it is going to bind to the antibodies specific to HCG, and this antigen-antibody complex is going to produce a color, and it is going to create the line that indicates pregnancy. So these are the uses of monoclonal antibodies.